Okay, so I'm sitting in my 2009 Audi A4 Cabriolet, and the convertible top does not work. This is what it does. Okay, when I push the button to get it to go, I get nothing. Okay, all it does is it starts to go, the windows go down, and it goes that far. That's it. So I went to a dealership to get an appraisal on what it would cost, a diagnostic fee of $120, and this is what they told me. They said it would cost $2,600 because the pump is bad and also switch position faults, needs to be replaced. So that's the estimate I got. At the same time, I didn't ask for this. They told me I need tires and a state inspection sticker, which I knew. And they said that I have two bad motor mounts that are leaking and that they're $960. So I went in to have a diagnostics on my convertible top done, and after the $2,600 for the motor, a weak motor and a switch, they added a few other items in it. So me being me, I decided to take a look to see if I could find out anything with the motor. So I came around and took the back apart, and I found the motor, and when I pull it out, this is what I found. What I found is a pump with a reservoir that is extremely low in fluid, way below the minimum line. So what did I do? I went out and bought the fluid, the hydraulic fluid, and I got the actual CHF 202 for the Audi. So I'm going to fill it up, and I'm going to see if this $2,600 repair is nothing more than me just having to add fluid to the reservoir. So I'm taking the top off the reservoir, and you can see on the side, I'm not sure if you can see this so well, but there's a max line there, and way below there's a min line, and you can see from the pump the fluid is quite low. It's actually down here as opposed to being 3/4 of the way up. Okay, so now I'm putting it back in. You can see it's filled to the max line. I'm just going to screw it down and put the amplifier back, and then I'm going to try the top to see if it was a $14 fix and not a $2,600 fix. Okay, so everything's back together. We're up the max line, and now I'm going to go around and see if by any chance in the world the top decides to go up and down. Let's see. Okay, there goes nothing. Nope. Try it again. Nope, it's not going. So what I'm going to try and do right now is I'm going to try and cycle the roof through manually by pushing it up and getting it up and down, and then see if that starts it back up again, gets it on track. And as you can see right now, after running a few cycles through, it's working. So theoretically, we're looking at a $14 fix to put fluid, for basically putting fluid back in the hydraulic tank.